Hi, it's Ms. Hurst from Hamilton County Schools. Today we're going to read our last text of this unit, The Wives of Los Alamos, which is actually the first chapter in a novel about it was a project to build a nuclear bomb that happened in a city or town called Los Alamos. And the Los Alamos project is where they were creating this bomb. And this story is about the wives of the people who did this. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can go ahead and read this Wives of Los Alamos excerpt. It's a good idea anytime you're doing a first read protocol to read the text, highlight any words you don't know. I want you to think about any connections you're making, annotate things that make you think like, oh, that's weird, and then summarize the text. And then we will go into a close read for character development. So pause me while you do your first read, and then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start our close read for character development. It is important for you to remember that you should, write any answers to questions that I ask, because that will help you when we get to the end task, okay? So we're going to start with paragraph 1, which I've numbered my paragraphs. In this paragraph, what words describe the narrator's relationship to the war? How is the narrator affected by the war? Why did the author include this description? Next, we're going to look at paragraph 3. At the end of this paragraph, what words show the director's feelings? What can you infer because of this line? How does this impact the story? Now we're going to look at paragraph 4. What changes in this paragraph? How do you know? How does this change your understanding of the story? All right, now we're going to look at paragraphs 5 and 6 together. What words and phrases in these paragraphs contribute to the lack of knowledge that the women have? What can we infer about the women in these paragraphs? And then finally, we're going to look at paragraph 9. What words in this paragraph expose the story as being about the Cold War? What is happening in this paragraph? How does this connect to some of our other readings? All right, so like I said, today's close read goal was to analyze this text for character development. So our end task today is, how does the author build the character of the wives throughout the story? Like I said, it is a very interesting text because of the way that they build that narrator. So go ahead and give me at least a full paragraph, include evidence from the text. This is where you're going to do some of your best writing. Once you're done with that, you are done with my class for the day. Have a wonderful rest of your day.